Hello again, grade 9s. I just wanted to share a little bit of information with you on how you can submit your work to me, given that this is a virtual school. So you got a couple options. The easiest option probably would be to download the file, and you can type. I'm going to try and make them so you can type everything into it and then send it back to me. And if that's not an option, then you can create a new file in Microsoft Word and just type your answers into there. I'm going to strongly encourage you all to use the Office 365 online that the school board pays for. You can't beat it. And you have your online Microsoft Cloud storage. It's like pretty much for what we're going to be using it for. You have like unlimited storage. So I highly recommend you use the Office 365 provided by Oklahoma District School Board. And so once you download the file or open the file, you can create a new file within Microsoft Word. And then probably the best bet would be to rename the file, something with your name in it. So if I'm going to come here, make this smaller. I'm going to come here and I'm going to open up this document 1. So once it's loaded up here, you come up to File. This is the Office 365 online version. You go to Save As. You can rename the file. You can rename it. It just gives me, it's a little bit easier for me to sort through everything if your name's on it, instead of I don't have to open it and try and find out who it belongs to. So if you put your name on your files, that's how you do it, and then you just hit enter. It'll change the name of that file. And then when you actually are in EDSB, you might have seen that I had put this up. If you click on this, that's how I'm going to be uploading all the files. It's probably not going to look like this when you open it. I tried to see if I could open EDSB as a student. I could not. So you can open up document. You'll see it'll look like this. Document preview provided by Microsoft Office 365. That's perfect. You have the option of downloading it here. So another option, if you don't want to deal with typing in all of your work into the computer and doing that, if you would prefer handwriting, I'm okay with that. You can handwrite it. Use this as an example. Snap a picture with your phone. Make sure it's nice and centered. Click. Snap a picture. Email it to me. The one thing that I do enjoy about EDSB is I'm going to be posting all of the assignments through the gradebook, which is where it's going to keep track of all your marks and what curriculum concepts we're covering for each activity that we do. If you upload it through there, it will mark your assignment as being submitted on time, and it'll let me know, hey, so-and-so submitted their work. It is in the EDSB folder. So this is what it looks like for me. With all the students in there, obviously there's no mark in there because today's the first day, but it just makes it a little bit easier for me if I upload everything here. And then on yours, it will. We're going to have a content section here, and all of the stuff that we're going to be working on is going to be found within here. If you need to go back and upload anything. So those are a couple options for how you can upload your work to me. You can also, when you go into messages, you can just upload it like straight within the messages. can upload the file in there. So that's also another option, or you can email it to me. If you start typing in my name in the Office 365 email, your Outlook, it should automatically prompt you with the correct email for me. And if you have any questions or you're having difficulty uploading your work, just let me know, and I can call you on the telephone and kind of walk you through it, or I can try and walk you through it on here. But those are going to be the best bets for uploading your work. Cool. We'll talk to you soon. And on Monday, I'm going to upload the first assignment that needs to be done. It's going to be an opinion paragraph, so look forward to that. And if you have any questions, I'll be online here till about 11:10. Then I have supervision and a class in the afternoon. So enjoy your weekend. Once again, welcome. And we should have some fun with this class. Thank you.